Adaku's mother died while giving birth to her. Adaku's father, Mr. Onyema, had to remarry in order to have a helping hand in taking care of Adaku. Mrs. Eziako, Adaku's stepmother, later got pregnant and gave birth to Ifoma, Adaku's stepsister. Mr. Onyema died, leaving Adaku with her stepmother and sister. The story begins like
5. Men are 1 ever. Okay. 5, 5, 1, 5. Ha ha ha. 5, 5. Jawam. Hey, Ili. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey. Maybe you get that. Let's walk. Play. It's me win. Wana. I told you! 6-2. There you go.
Ifoma, did you carry the food I left in the kitchen?
Which food?
My food. I covered it and left it in the kitchen before leaving for the farm in the morning. Now to just come back and I didn't see it there. Iburia.
Obuluzenya, Guinea. Obululio. Whether she bullied it or she did not bully it. Guinea Mezia, is that why you should interrupt what we are doing?
But Mama.
But Guinea. Mama. I'm not here. Stop calling me Mama. Do you understand what I'm saying? What's your problem?
I've been in the farm on an empty stomach since morning, all alone, walking, just to come back and Ifoma had carried my food. Odima, is it fair?
Mama, I did not see Adaku written on that plate of food I carried. So how can you say it's your food? I don't understand.
Smart answer. Eh?
Mama, it's not fair. This is not fair. What if I doing to me in this house? It's not fair. It's not fair, Mama. It's not fair.
Come back here. Come back here and boy. Come back here on a take and take. Stand here. Listen, next time you eat her food, you drop the plate for her to wash. Only seeing your debele fell imagine. Say Asamia, imagine. Good, now get out of my sight. Mpe, Otenko, don't call her. Chawam, Iwam, Ize, Ikwai. Tuwapalu Muzano Afia. Mbali Eje. Idide, Iga. Oh, let me see. This is 10. Can you find me? Alright, oh, first come on, latch up. 5. Your turn.
Nama.
Emma Susie, just say for me. Yes, go ahead.
If this is how you carry your passengers, you will kill them one day. This one is one guy. I'm
tired, I need to rest.
Anyway, I'm going for a village meeting. Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
I hope there is food at home.
There is food that we cook for you. I know ya. Go and check. Please check the pot, Hey.
What's the meaning of this?
I don't understand. Meaning of what? Wash my clothes.
Ifoma, you must be very stupid. Yeah, you know, praise bar.
It's you that is stupid. In fact, inapu esi botara. Idiot.
Am I listen? Mama!
shouting my name? Why are you shouting my name under this hot sun? Eh?
Mama, imagine if Mama, she brought out her dirty clothes for me to wash, commanding me.
Eh? Gini, where Messia? If she brought out her dirty clothes and asked you to wash them, what is the big deal?
I don't know.
Mama, Ifeoma is my junior sister. Why are you supporting her to act against me?
Listen, and listen very good. Next time, you answer me back, what I will do to you, Adako, you won't like it. Wash them. You wash her clothes first, then you use the dirty water to wash your own clothes. In short, go inside and bring the rest of your dirty clothes. Okay. Bring them for her to wash.
Mama.
Don't call me Mama. I've told you, stop calling me your mother. Because I am not. See, if care is not taken, next time you call me mother, I will kill you. I will kill you and bury you beside your mother. Oh, did I say beside? In the same grave with your mother. That's where you will know really who your mother is. Ma, let's go inside. And listen, if I go in and come out, I want to see this thing, all these clothes clean and hanging. If you fail to do that, you know what I can do to you. You know, right? Adam, let's go inside. Achalu go uma. Mwanje mengala. Mwata kili ne toko tokalia nye. If I be tego. Omwara ne getu yafa. Oba aka nne. Nemo. Ne shake lumu kwa. Ma no na bu le tie bo wo ti abwe. Maka ni geje dancing. That dancing competition. Here.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Adaku's house. My friend.
Okay, oh my, you know you're a very beautiful girl.
Let me thank you.
I'm also going to see my friend. I don't want to take much of your time. We'll see some other time.
Yes,
be careful.
Hey. So happy. What's going on?
Guess who I saw on my way coming to your house?
Obi, you of all people should know I'm not good at guessing. I don't know I'm good. Because
I saw Emeka, Mazi Bekwe's son. He told me I'm beautiful, that he likes me, and I think I like him too.
So because Emeka spoke to you, that's why you are this happy. I'm happy for you. Yes, happy for you, my friend.
Lest I forget, I actually came so you join me to the market. My mom said I should get her something.
Obi, you know I could have loved to join you, but I'm cooking. I can't leave the food. Boss Obiko.
I noticed something. It seems your sister and your mom is not around. Where did they go to?
They went to Neka's house. Neka just gave birth now.
So why didn't you go with them?
I'm cooking. I will go and see her later. That one is not food. I will see her later.
It's a bad girl. Can't no one know. It's actually.
followed you and Ifoma here to ask forgiveness. Anyway, I've sinned against you. I love you and Ifoma, and I want us to live as one happy family. Ofu.
Now you shut up. You love who? So you called me out here to tell me that you want us to be one big family, and that you love me in Apwala. Eh? Don't try that nonsense again, no. Wait. So that's why you called me out here.
Wait, Adako. So you called me out here to say this rubbish? While I should be inside watching television. Are you okay?
Ifoma, you're my sister.
My sister, please.
I don't like the way we are divided. I want us to be one. I love you, and please take me as part of this family.
Oh, please! I want us to be divided, my dear. Onwe ife jikolu udene na baba. Nyi wabu udene, mu wabu baba. Onwe ife jikolu mu na yi, maka ni nwere ntutu. Listen, you are not meant to be part of this family. Abi?
Mama, I'm going inside.
Okay.
You can come join.
I will. Let me just enjoy some air.
Ifoma, please. Ifoma.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. It is stupid. You want to be one happy family with who? See, for your information, you are not wanted in this family. We don't need you. Please, if you can just on your own go out there and die. I don't want to see your corpse. I don't want to smell it. I don't want you. Next time you call me out here to utter those words. Oh, Adako. Oh, shut up. See lo. Come on, Nali Kuku. What's not one happy family? Then you're not happy. You can't want to know you're by happy. Nonsense.
Hi, Ifoma. Please, if Mama comes back, tell her I went to see my friend Obegiri. Ifoma, when Mama comes back, tell her I went to see my friend Obegiri. I will just go. Mama, I will just go.
No. Why am I? Sorry. I'm sorry. I don't mean to barge in on you this way. My name is Ikenna. Can I just talk to you, please? I want to be your friend. Because then why are you watching out for me? What's your name? No. Did I say anything wrong? Or how can you get out of the room recording? Passenger, be fair when you know. No, man, no. Sorry.
Where are you going? I'm actually going to the market. Mama said I should come and pick some food stuff that she bought.
Oh, how is Mama?
Mama is fine, no. You can actually follow me to the market now, so you can greet her yourself.
Oh, you have to be cool. I'm boss of Biko.
Ibidokwe. We'll go and come back and discuss now. I bogi.
Mana Obi.
Mana again.
We'll come back now.
Oh, Diego. We will not sleep there. We'll come back now.
We will not stay long.
Today's work was very hectic. All these village passengers.
So is that why you now got bread and cannot phone yourself?
Walk alone, chop alone.
Eh. So you could not even buy ordinary bread 15 naira and not 20 naira for me. Eh? Your friend.
Tell me, why will I buy for you? Huh? Am I not the one feeding in this village? Every time I use, you always beg.
So now tell you to give me bread and not is now begging you. Are you not my friend?
I'm not give you, you will not give you.
Now give me bread, I tell you.
I'm not busy by force.
Okay. I'll not eat again with that.
Take.
I don't want to. I'm not eating again, no. I'll eat your bread.
No, you're my friend. Take now. Please, I don't finish it.
You want to give me 10 minutes now?
You know that? Like this girl I saw today. She's down to earth. Very beautiful.
Hey! Hey!
I even tried to talk to her. She didn't respond to me.
Wrong move.
I don't know.
Wrong move. You know you don't know how to talk to women. Eh? So if you go and talk to her, you know you don't know how to talk to women now.
Eh? It's not as if I don't know how to talk to you. Just that.
Still, you would have come to meet me. So I would lecture you on how to talk to women.
It's not my fault now.
You see?
This girl was very cute.
Hey! You just went from her. You have told me ahead of time to give you, lecture. To tell you how to do it.
It's all
Emeka, people are here. Enjoy yourself. I can see you lecturing him. Yes. Kuzidi Orphan, go with water. Eh? Eh? Life is slow and steady. Eh? Let me advise you to go to the city and hustle. Eh? Hustle and make money like others. Eh? Again, I hope my food is ready. I'm going to call them. Big money that you're making, that you not buy small bread. Bread 15 naira and you cannot 20 naira.
You're supporting my father. If I go to the city now, who will be paying you bread?
Bread is not my problem.
Am I not the one?
You tell you to be. You want me to choose to buy your friends cars. You are giving me bread. How much? 150 naira.
So what am I cooking for you this afternoon?
Rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken. Mbobuna chicken, like you kept money for chicken.
Mama, see, if you are cooking that rice, use foreign rice. So.
Who is still eating foreign rice? And if you will not eat local rice, I don't
know the one you are saying. No. And put that foreign rice. Green beans, green pepper, and carrots.
No. All the can one
But I want rice and chicken. Don't put that local rice, so.
Mama, I don't like this, so I don't like this. Imama is my junior sister, and the fact that he still keeps supporting her every time against me, it's annoying.
You dare talk to me like that? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Mama, leave me.
Can you imagine this girl? It's bad enough that you go around gossiping with my name, with that your stupid friend, Obiageli.
Mama, I did not discuss you with Obiageli. You can ask her.
Hey, shush it. You want to lie, right? That's how you go about gossiping with my mother's name.
If Mama will slap you, respect yourself.
You said you'll slap my daughter in my presence. That means when I'm not there, you'll kill her. Wait! Did she just call me mama? No, did you just call me your mother? Look at me. Do I look like your mother? Or continue to do me? Do they have anything in common? So why call me your mama? Mama, your babu come back. Idiot! Shut up!
Yes, I want you to help me this one. I know it's your baby. I've talked to him several times to go to the city and also like his mate, but he will never listen. I've talked to him open and secret. Look at Mazio Konko's son that left not up to a year. He has laid the foundation in his father's compound now. And he's even planning to get married. But again, Nankemwe Pochiri, Asemumba, that what he wants to do is to become a local champion keke rider inside this village in Anukwa. Help me and beg him. Eh? Only for nature. Wamia Menyegi. Go away, Pote. Biko. Eh?
Sir, please calm down. Calm down. I will try and talk to him. Eh? I will do my best. I will try to convince him to go to the city.
Are you not planning to go to the city?
Me? I'm making plans, so very soon I'll leave this village.
Biko, make plans with him. Biko. Eh? This boy should not end up being a local keke rider inside this village. I'm ashamed of myself seeing this boy. Eh? Oh, mom. Biko.
I will try.
I'll try. Oh, is it one? Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, can you can? Again.
Mommy, I just hate Ada.
Nobody likes her. She's a witch, just like her mother.
Each time I set my eyes on her, I just feel like strangling her.
For your information, she's not your sister. So, if you feel like strangling her, strangle her as the need arises. I'll probably help you strangle her.
Mommy, let me get you water.
She's really a witch. Hurry!
Ada, I've been looking for you all over the place. You're crying. Obi. Ada, here. Ada, what's the problem? I'm fine, Obi. Obi, how are you? I'm fine. What's the problem? Obi, I wish Mama was here. I wish Mama was alive.
Obi, I've always told you that Mama is in a better place resting. Yeah, she's watching me.
A better place? Yes, it's a better place. And she left me in the worst place. She went to a better place and left me in the worst place.
Maybe that is why I'm here for you.
I'm
You
tired.
can always count on me.
I'm tired. I'm tired of you. I'm tired.
Oh, sorry.
I'm tired.
Ikenna, when are you traveling back to the city?
What is bringing that process?
Well, your father has been saying that he has been telling you to go back to the city. Ogini.
Mika, it's not as if I don't want to go back to the city. The truth is that there is something I've been running away from.
So what could that be?
Eh? Yes. You see, that's why I can't go back to the city.
want to break that.
What do you mean? Can you carry that?
Stop. Stop there.
Come on, what is it? See, if I'm very hungry. I just came back from the farm. I'm very, very hungry.
I've heard you. Just hold on. First of all, my mother said you should carry this bunch of plantain and sell. Now.
Let me just eat. I'm very hungry. Let me just go inside and have something to eat. I'll go sell it later.
Hold on there. Where do you think I'm going?
Foma, I want to go and eat. I'm very hungry. I've been in the farm since morning.
Mama!
Foma, I said I'll sell it later. Let me eat first.
Mama!
Foma, let me eat first. I'm very hungry. I've been working since morning.
Mama!
Mama, good afternoon.
How do you come? Achalugo, you called?
Mama, I asked Adaku to go sell the bunch of plantain you asked her to sell when she comes back from the farm. And she ignored me.
Ifoma, Mama, I didn't know how. I just asked her to allow me eat, then I'll go sell them.
Eat! Eat, Kenny! I want you the banana! Yes, sir! No, I want you the banana!
Mama, I'm very hungry.
Hunger will fight there! You came back from the farm with what?
I've been working since morning. I've been working since morning.
You've been so what if you've been working since morning? Mba, I've been sleeping since morning. My friend, go and carry that bunch of plantain and sell. And don't come back here until you realize the money. Carry it and get out of my sight. If I should what? Come on, carry that nonsense. Let's take Seba.
Mama, please open the door for me.
Where are you coming from? By this time of the night.
Mama, I'm coming from the market.
You're coming from the market?
Yes, Mama.
Does the market close this late?
Mama, you said I should sell off the plantain. I just sold out.
You sold out
yes,
in
Mama.
the night? You just wanted to stay out late. That's why you sold out in the night. No problem. Go back to where you're coming from and sleep there.
Mama, it's late now. I don't know where to go.
But there are tables now in the market. Go back there and lie on 1 or 2 tables. Push them together and sleep there. Yeah?
Hey, Mama, please. Mama, I'm going. Please, now open the door. I don't know where to sleep this night. I don't know where to sleep. Mama! Mama, please, come on, open the door. What do I do now? I'm going to sleep.
Ada, what happened? Take me down. What happened? Mama locked me out of the house. What? Why would she do a thing like that? Oh, sorry.
God, oh. Okay, let's go
Sister,
inside.
Wait, thank you.
You have been stressed.
Very stressed.
I'm your father. I am your father. You must listen to me. You must listen. Go out of the city and live with my brother. I have spoken to my brother, and he says he has a good job for you whenever you come over to the city.
Did I tell you I'm looking for a job? Did I tell you I'm looking for a job?
The tricycle business I'm riding is giving me money. I'm feeding from it. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Half maka. Because this name so well. I am from second. I'm talking to you. You're walking out on me. Half maka. Ah. Oh, I'm not. I can make you half. Imagine can't see what. Imagine can't see what I can now. Don't worry. Go back and meet me in this house.
Excuse me, what are you doing here all alone?
I just came back from the farm. I was just resting.
Thanks for the other day. Would have been a better statement than lying to me.
Thanks for saving me.
Why are you crying?
I'm okay. I was just tired and I decided to rest.
Actually, my name is Ikenna, the son of Mr. Udoka. Please, what's your name?
My name is Adako, daughter of late Mr. Onyema.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm totally sorry about that.
It's fine.
Ada, there is something I actually want to tell you, but I don't know how you will feel about it. I want us to be friends. I want us to be best of friends. That's if you don't have any.
Okay, I will be a friend.
But are you serious? Wow, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I never thought a day like this would come. God, I'm so happy. Ada, I was... Ada! Ada! Ada, you left your cutlass!
Hello. Good evening, Who is here? Hey, good evening.
Good evening. You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, don't be offended. Is Ada around?
No.
My name is Ikenna, Mazi Udoka's son. Please, when she comes back, tell her that I came looking for her. And I returned the cutlass to her.
Okay. Okay.
It's okay.
Wait. No, you can go.
This one, you're happy like this. It's like you have accepted to go to the city. Don't go one.
Papa, why is this city all the time? Papa, today is the best day of my life. Do you know that girl I told you about? She have accepted to be my girlfriend. Papa, even one, she's very beautiful. Papa, I love this girl so much.
Ikenna, what is wrong with you? Ikenna, you should be talking of how to go to the city. You know, I say, if that girl, if that girl,
what is it? What's that go to the city? Huh? Is everyone that go to the city that made it? Leave me alone. Hey, you just want to spoil my mood now.
You know that I make a walk, you make a wine. In the short of Muruge, Ikenna. Hey, Open up, so quick. Yeah, Allo. Then you can't okay. I'm one here. Girlfriend accepted her, accepted him. Look at how that call you in now. Upload with your square. Upload with your square. The shot no more Muruge. I'm one here. The shot no more Muruge. I'm not sure I'm the one that gave birth to you. Why are you looking?
I'm looking for Ikenna, sir. Is he in?
Oh, he went to work.
Okay.
Who do I tell him that came looking for you?
Sir, I'll come back later.
Okay. Look at him.
He's coming.
Oh, Ifoma, how are you? Papa, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I came to see you.
Are you serious? Wow.
Ikenna, I like you. Since yesterday you came to my house, I've not been myself and I wanted to become friends.
Are you serious or something?
I'm serious. I like you and...
You know what? That is fine, but the truth is that I'm in love with Adaku. But we can be friends, you know. There's no problem about that.
It's okay.
Ifoma. Ifoma.
Imagine, Ngozi asked me to mind my business. Eh?
How do you? You know you are the one at fault.
Is that enough reason why she should shout at me in public? I won't take it next time.
You were the one at fault. You caused it now. You do expect her to keep quiet?
You
are the one at fault. You don't expect her to keep quiet.
Why is your sister so wicked?
Just pretend as something. Let's discuss what you're discussing. So, why is the mother?
Ifoma! Did you see what this girl just did?
Oh my god! I didn't see anyone here.
No, did you? I should leave her.
Maybe she didn't see us as she said.
Look at my beacon.
Maybe she didn't see us.
If not that you're my friend.
Okay, Adeba.
Please, let me just go out.
Ada.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, Hassan. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
I really missed you so much. Like, I have craved for the moment like this to see you again. I'm gonna search for you everywhere in this village. I dropped the cutlass that you left with me the last time we met.
Oh.
I dropped it at home.
Oh, thank you very much, okay. I really appreciate it.
Did your sister tell you about it?
Never mind. I have to be going. My mom will be waiting.
No, don't worry. Let me help you.
Don't worry. I can just...
No, Ada, let me do this for you,
Just
okay?
go. I can...
I know you can do it. Just give me the moment.
It's really...
I can't do it. Don't worry. This is my job. I like carrying water.
What are you doing with him? Get that thing there! What are you doing with him?
Mama.
Will you get inside, my friend?
Mama, I'm sorry. Actually, my name is Ikenna. Ada is my friend. I actually met her on my way coming to this place, so I had to help her.
Oh, my name is Ikenna. Your name is Ikenna. Eh? You met her, she's your friend, so you decided to carry jerrycan. A note of warning to you. You see this girl? She's a witch. She killed her mother. And guess what? You would be the next on the line. Now, you see your coffin. What color is it? Black or white? Can you paint it green? You're still here. I'm not here. It's any potential Shamalama. My boy is your friend. I'm not here. Your name is Ikenna. Mba, Ikazana Adeze. Kawa mala ni putago na ogbo. I'm not here. Bien? This girl. Kaya na aposi dia. Adako! Ma? Come here and come and take this thing inside. In my boyfriend.
Your food is ready.
You can come.
What is it?
Who was that girl that came here the other day?
Girl. Oh, Ifoma. Actually, that's the stepsister to Adaku. The girl I told you about, the one I love so much.
Iken, so I should tell my brother that you are no longer coming to the city.
Yes, Papa.
In fact, I won't disturb you about it again. And I will never tell you again.
Thank you, Papa.
You have your life to live.
Yes.
Live it the way you want.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, Papa.
Makanya kije push zimaka.
Ikenna.
Ada,
Ikenna.
what are you doing here?
Hi.
Just come.
Don't please. Is your father?
No. Let's go to bed. What are you doing here?
I came to apologize for the other day.
It's okay.
And I'm sorry you had to say that.
It's okay. There's nothing to worry about. Besides, who's that woman that I saw earlier today?
I step.
Your stepmother. I guess as much. Ada, there's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how you feel about it.
Okay.
Ada, I love you. I swear to God, I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I promise, both of us are going to be here forever. Nothing will separate us.
I love you too, King.
What? I sure. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
I have to be going before Mama starts looking for me.
Oh, okay. Please be careful. Take good care of yourself. Ada, I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you so much.
I miss you too, King. I have to go. I have to go.
No, Ada.
Mama will be looking for me. I have to go.
Ada, wait. I love you once more. Just tell me that you love me once more, please.
King, I love you too. I have to go.
Ikenna, what is the problem? Is there something you're not telling me?
So something like what?
It's unlike you. You are always smiling to yourself these days. Hey, my guy, tell me what's the good news?
Emeka, what I'm trying to say is that I think I'm in love.
In love? Wait, my guy, sorry. How? When? With who? Eh?
Do you know that girl I told you about the other day?
What about her?
Her name is Adako. She finally accepted me to be her friend.
Wow, my guy, I'm happy for you. Hey, I'm happy for you, my brother. So now that she has accepted to be your friend, what's your plan with her?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know for now, but time will tell. I will not lie to you.
Chai.
I love that girl.
Hey, my guy, so you finally man up. I'm surprised.
What do you mean by that? Must you always insult me?
Calm down now. Why will I insult you? I'm happy that you're happy. So you have a girlfriend now? Hey.
You, don't you have a girlfriend?
Ikenna, my guy. Hey, God.
My brother.
Nice girl. Wait, before I forget. Have you collected that money from Nnamdi?
I totally forgot.
You forgot?
I swear.
Okay. There she comes. Ojebela for Natankwo.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yeba. Where are you coming from? And where are you headed to?
I don't understand. I went to fetch water. I'm going to drop it in the backyard.
You don't understand. Put the water down. Put it down! Now I ask you again, where are you coming from?
I went to fetch water.
Liar. When I saw her and a guy, they were kissing under a mango tree.
Ifoma, you're lying. Mama, she's lying. Ifoma, you know you're lying.
I saw you.
Ifoma, you're lying. Mama, she's lying. It's not true.
Lying. So there was a guy. In a messy guy.
Mama, he was just my friend.
Your friend? So really, there was a guy?
No, Mama, Ifoma is lying. It's not true.
Come this way. Come over here. Stand here. So, where did he touch you?
Mama, he did not touch me.
Did he touch here?
Mama,
remove your hand. Remove your hand! Did he touch here? Turn around. Did he touch here? The way this thing is coming out, like it is padded. Eh? Like you put attachments there.
Mama, he's just my friend.
Okay, your friend, just kissing.
Mama, we do not kiss.
If he girl, get me water from the bucket.
Mama, why are you doing this? Mama, what do you want to do?
I just want to use it to wash. Give me another one. Give me another one. Mama! I can't see! Mama! You will see! Your mother is in the ground! Go and join your mother! She's blind! Mama, you can't see! Mama, if you come close to me, you can see! Why you see? You can't see! Mama, you can't! Mama, you put that door on me! Mama! Mama, please don't touch me! Mama, please! Mama, I can't see! No! Mama, please help me! Mama, I can't see! I can't see! Somebody help me! Did you ask for help? I can't see! Did you ask for help? Mama, let me talk! Mama, somebody help me! I can't see! I can't see! I can't see! Somebody help me, please! Somebody help me! I can't see! Somebody help me!
What have you done to Ada?
It was a mistake. It wasn't intentional.
I know. It wasn't intentional. It was a mistake, so let's celebrate it.
Look, I can...
Don't touch me.
Look, Ada is now blind and completely useless. She's a good for nothing.
I know. She's blind. But I like her. I like her that way. She's my best friend.
You cannot.
Get out. Leave.
I should leave your house.
Leave! And I don't want to ever see you in this house again. Wicked people.
I like it.
Oh, That's nice. I'm glad that you like it. Adako.
Thank you, Ike. Thanks for always being there for me. I don't want to be a burden to you.
No. No, you're not a burden to me. Okay? I love you. I love you very much. Listen, I promise you, I will make sure you regain your sight as soon as possible. Okay?
Thank you, Ike. Thank you.
Don't worry, everything is going to be fine. Very soon. I have something for you. Just wait.
What is it?
I'm coming.
Mama! Mama! Ifoma! Mama! Ifoma! Mama! Somebody help me! Mama! Who is there? Somebody help me! Help! Mama! Ifoma! Mama! Mama!
What happened? What happened to you?
I don't know, I slipped and fell.
So somebody poured water here. I'm so sorry. Just come. Go this way. She's okay now. Sit here.
Ifoma, how are you? Where is Adaku?
What kind of question is that?
I don't understand. Ifoma, is it not high time you stop all this hatred? Eh? Adaku is your sister. Show her some love rather than pouring out hatred.
Look, if you are here to tell me what to do and what not to do, you better get out of this house.
Osmogin.
And as for that your blind friend, I don't know and will never know where she is.
Oh, I don't blame you. I blame your mother.
Hello?
How do you master?
Where are you, Papa?
I went out, sir.
Okay. I got to collect the key of this key. Give it to me.
Makagini, why would you not take the key?
You don't supposed to question me. Huh? The key or the kicker?
No, okay, you cannot come and collect the key of the key. Please.
It's like you're stupid.
No, sir.
It's like you are stupid.
Yes, sir.
Because you are sounding stupid to my liking.
Yes, sir, but I'm sorry.
Give me the key of the kicker.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Give me now.
Okay. I'll pay your money, sir.
Okay, you pay me now. Huh? Ikenna, over 2 weeks. Did I see the money of this keke?
No, just that I was...
Okay, Ikenna. Over 2 weeks now. Did I see you?
No,
give me the key of the keke.
I was passing...
Now!
Okay, please, I beg you.
Don't give me the key of the keke. Okay. What is happening? What is happening?
He wants to collect the keke from me. I don't know what I did to him.
You idiot! By begging me. You were an idiot by begging me. Welcome. Over 2 weeks now. The payment we agreed that you will be given to me. Over 2 weeks now, no payment. Keke, you're here. I know you didn't see Keke.
Daddy, I was passing through some challenges. That's why I couldn't make it. I promise.
You are passing through some challenges.
Yes, Daddy.
Are you now a footballer?
I beg you, go to. Don't take the Keke away from me.
Get out! I stupid.
Oga, wait. You said he has been owing you for 2 weeks now.
Yes.
I will pay the money.
Yes, sir.
But you have to bring the keke back after 2 weeks.
Already? I've gotten planned.
Don't worry, forget about the plan. Don't worry, I will pay the money. I'm his father. Just go away with the keke. Then after 2 weeks, I will pay.
No, Daddy, why you sounding like this? Oh, God.
I will bring it.
Okay, because
I will pay you. I will pay you. Yeah, I promise you. You pay.
You want to beat me? You want to beat me? You want to beat me? I am going to leave that blind girl. You will listen. Look at what he has cost you now. And you see what that blind girl has cost you. Look at what he has cost you. It's a bad luck to you. Look at it.
You're American man. You're American man. I'm your son again.
Are you my son? Are you my son? I'm lawyer.
This is the only thing left.
So, again, what are you going to do now that my future is taking the care of
Brother, seriously. My problem is that that's the only way I try to raise money for Adaku's surgery. Right now, the hope of raising the money is shattered. I just don't know what to do.
What did your father say when you tried telling him the situation?
He was there.
Eh?
Yes. Both of us were there together when he collected the cricket from us.
Are you serious?
Serious.
Hey, this is not nice, oh. Eh?
Emeka, my brother, that's just the only hope I have. That's the only hope I have to raise this money for Adaku's surgery. Now everything is just scattered. I'm again. God.
I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry. I just hope that you find a way out of all this. Eh?
I will try. Adaku's problem is just what is bothering me. That reminds me, how's your mom's health? Hope she's responding to treatment.
She is. Thank God. She took that mixture from Boli and she has been...
Well,
Who is that?
Ada, how are you?
I'm fine. Who is that?
It's Emeka, Ikenna's friend.
Oh, Emeka. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you? I'm good.
Ikenna said I should give this to you.
What is it?
Yes, it's so it doesn't fall.
Oh, what is inside?
It's bushmeat though. Eh? He said you can eat from it. He'll be with you shortly.
Please, thank him for me.
Let me help you.
Thank you. When is he coming to see me?
He didn't tell me exactly, but you know now. Anytime, he will just show up. When I said, let me start going.
Thank you very much.
See, that plan was too risky, eh? What if we were caught?
but we were not caught.
Hi! See, next time, don't involve me in that kind of stupid plan again,
There will never be next time. Right? The main thing is that I was able to raise the money for Adaku's surgery. And we even have more. So there will never be next time. I promise you, there will never be next time. Please.
So, does Adaku know about this surgery?
No. She has no idea. Actually, when I took her to the hospital to confirm about the surgery, I didn't tell her the reason we went there.
So she does not know anything about the surgery?
No, she has no idea.
And she doesn't also know that you had to steal for the money?
What do you mean? We both went to steal for the money.
How can you use your voice now? Eh? It's not you. The help that was helping you.
Eh?
So why are you not putting it to me?
Must said that I went to steal it.
So if they caught you, you would have said it's both of us.
No, I'll stay, it's only me.
Look at someone that I'm helping you.
So my happiness now is that I got the money. I was able to raise the money for that surgery. See, Emeka, I promise you this kind of thing will never happen again.
I hope so.
Do you know you're a very beautiful guy? I love you, and I hope to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
I can't marry you. I am blind. I love you, but I can't marry you. I don't want to be a burden to you.
You are not going to be a burden to me. Okay? I will be your eyes. This is not the end of your life. I am going to make sure I take good care of you. Nothing will separate us. I love you very much.
I love you too, Ikenna.
I guess you're hungry. Let me just go and get something for you to eat, okay?
Please, I want it from the flat. The one Emeka brought to the house.
I will just go and get the food for you, okay? Please make sure you take good care of yourself. I'm coming right now, just 2 seconds. Sorry, 2 minutes.
Huh? What are you doing here? Look this blind witch. What are you doing here? What? Who is where? Who is where in your own house? Huh? Will you get up from my seat without your cursed body? You this blind witch! I'm coming, wait. Okay, yeah? Unwind. Get up! Are you doing here? What are you doing here? How many times have I somebody? Don't touch me! Don't touch me, son, don't touch me! The next time I will see you here again or near my son, I will kill you and kill my son. It's either both of you go to heaven or hell and get married. Nonsense! Say no, you blind witch! That's him welcome, sir. Sir, we come again about I'm not here. Bad luck. Go to hell or go to anywhere you like. Don't know where you are going to. Let me see you here again.
Where is that?
The next time I see that blind witch here, you will know who I am.
Papa, don't tell me chase her away.
Don't tell you what? Two people from I'm not here.
You sent her away.
No, I sent her to heaven. Look at that flying. Blind witch. I'm not here. They can't down. I don't put the one on.
Mama. My friend, shut up or see my phone. Is that Yumba? Oh, Joseph. Double one right there.
Mama! Mama!
The joke one.
Mama! Mama, please come on.
Die! You should just die. Let's go and bury you. Eh?
I can't stand up. Please help me.
Stay there now.
Stay there now.
My leg! Mama!
Now that Adako is blind and completely useless, let's throw her out of the house.
Throw her out? No, that's not possible. If we throw her out, the villagers will come after us. Besides, it is her father's house. We can't just throw her out of her father's house.
I hate her. I just hate that girl. I feel like strangling her each time I set my eyes on her.
I know how you feel, because I always see that look in your eyes when you're staring at her. She is a witch. A bad witch. And nobody really likes her in this village.
So, Oni, what should we do?
Did you ask what we should do? What should we do? What should we do? I have a plan. What? I have a great plan.
I trust you.
We will kill the witch.
The evil witch.
I will crush the witch.
Ikenna, I called you here so that we can have a heart-to-heart talk, like father and son.
Okay, Papa, I'm listening.
For the fact that your tricycle is no more, it's not the end of the world. I want to suggest that why can't you go to the city and hustle, get a good job, make money like other men?
Papa, it's not as if I don't want to go to the city. I can't leave Adako all alone here in this village. Her stepmother is a very wicked woman. That woman is a wench.
I understand you, my son. From the first day you told me her story, I felt so bad about it. But then what can you do? I want you to go to the city and get a good job. You need to get yourself something tangible doing. Go to the city like other men do. You don't fight because you are a man. You fight because of your future. Yes. Make money. Then other things will follow.
Okay, Papa, I will go to the city.
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Papa, there is something I would like to tell you.
My daughter, I have been thinking about all the bad things I've done to you. The sad things I've done to you, and I don't even know what to say, but to say that I am sorry. Please, find it in your heart to forgive your mother. You're my daughter, and I love you. Adan can be gonna look with pity upon your mother.
Adako, please. I've been a bad sister to you. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Mama, I've always loved you as a sister. I love you so much. I've forgiven you.
Oh, thank you.
I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Today is the happiest day of my life. I've been waiting for this day for so long. I'm so happy it's finally here.
Yes. Chai.
I love you, Mama.
I love you more.
I love you, Mama.
Thank you, my sister.
Mama, please stop crying.
I should stop crying,
please.
Okay?
Mama, hurting me, please stop crying.
No, I don't want to hurt you. But I can't help it.
Mother, please stop crying, Mama.
It's okay.
It's okay. Please, forgive me.
Stop crying.
Mama, it's okay. I'm forgiving you.
Okay.
Okay, Mama.
I won't cry again.
Here. Have this.
Thank you, Mama.
And have this.
Oh, you...
Yes, it's for you. So,
You opened it?
yeah, I already did.
Thank you.
So you can eat it, okay?
Thank
So
you.
come when you're done. So
No.
I will throw them.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Who's there?
It's me.
Oh, Ikenna. I'm fine.
How about your wicked aunt?
She's fine.
And her daughter?
They're
Wow.
fine.
You're eating biscuit.
Yes.
Today looks like it's your birthday. Who got it for you?
Is it feel?
Wow, it's cheap. Can I take a sip of it?
Why not?
Alright, thank you.
You can take all if you want.
No, it's yours. Actually, Ada.
Yes.
I came to tell you something.
What is that?
It's actually going to be the best news you will ever hear today.
Okay, I'm listening.
So, by first thing tomorrow morning, we
Ikenna,
Oh,
are you okay?
yes, yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Ikenna,
Yes.
Ikenna, Ikenna, what's wrong? Ikenna, Ikenna, what's wrong with you? Somebody help! Somebody help me! Ikenna! 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 What's wrong with Ikenna?
Did he drink what I gave you?
Yes, he took a sip. What's happening? What's going on, Ifama? What's going on? What's wrong with Ikenna? Ifama! Ikenna! Ikenna!
Mama?
What's wrong? Mama! Somebody go, what's going on?
Mama, come on.
Oh,
Ikenna!
what is it?
Mama,
Mama! Ikenna!
what's Ikenna?
Mama, what
Mama! Ikenna, stand up now, Ikenna! Mama, what happened to Ikenna?
Mama, you caused it.
Ikenna is dead!
Check it.
What's going on? What? Ikenna! Mama! Mama, what's going on? Ikenna! Ikenna is dead! Ikenna! Ikenna cannot be dead! Ikenna cannot be dead! Ikenna! Ikenna, what's wrong with Ikenna?
Mama is dead.
Ikenna is dead! Ikenna is dead! Ikenna is dead! How? I mean, who caused it? Ikenna, stand up, please! Ikenna, please! Ikenna, please! Ikenna, please, don't die!
What is it? Ikenna! Ikenna, my son is dead! How? Wait!
This is my house.
Hey! Ikenna! How?
Ikenna, what happened to you? Ikenna, please. Ikenna, what happened to you, Mama? Please, what happened to Ikenna? What happened to Ikenna?
Ikenna! Ikenna!
Please.
Ikenna! Ikenna! Ikenna, my son! Ikenna, what happened to him? Ikenna! Ikenna!
Ikenna, please don't leave me. Ikenna, please don't leave me. Ikenna, please don't leave me. Ikenna, please. Ikenna, he's dead. Ikenna, please don't go. Ikenna, please. Ikenna, please.
Isiaku.
Is he your son?
Don't give my child to another man. I love you and I will marry you.
Yeah, look. Please, I can be your second wife. I've made up my mind to marry another man. Mommy and I can be your second wife because.
So you mean you want to give my child to another man? No, Ziako, you don't do this to me, okay? I love you and I will marry you. I promise.
Please, Udok, I'm sorry. I can't.
Ziako! Hi!
That is how she left. I never set my eyes on her until today.
So Ikenna is my brother. I killed my brother. I killed my only brother. Ada. Please forgive me. I know I don't deserve your forgiveness, but find a place in your heart to forgive me. Papa, please forgive me too.
Ikenna actually came to tell Ada that.
Papa, I took Adako to the hospital and they said that she's going to undergo a surgery. Papa, I've raised the money.
How did you get the money?
I just have to raise the money. Papa, I want her to regain her sight. Then I can be able to go to the city. Please, Papa.
So Ikenna is dead. Ikenna is dead.
Ada, calm down.
Wadiegu. Life is mystery.
Mama, I'm forgiving you.
Thank you.
You're my only sister. I'm forgiving you.
Now, Ikenna never lived to see Ada get back her sight. Life is a mystery.
Ikenna, please come out and tell me I'm dreaming. Promise we'll be together forever, Ikenna. Please come out and tell me I'm dreaming. Please, Ikenna, come out, Ikenna. Come out and tell me. Come out and tell me I'm dreaming, Ikenna. I promise.
Calm down.
Ikenna, please come out and tell me.